Yes, good morning, wonderful people of Biafra. First of all, I want to tell the Nigerian government this. You can continue to borrow money.
Hello, my wonderful family. Thank you
continue
for
to
joining
bribe
us for this
nations,
wonderful
try to
exposition.
bribe
Yes, we are
Finland
back again with the latest news.
you
Here on
have.
this Global Love Channel TV,
But you
we
know
bring
one
you the
thing.
life and direct of the news that concerns the Biafra the most. Yes, my wonderful listeners, this video that you're about to watch is just a video of Nigeria government being exposed for their evil atrocities that they have been placed in place against our people. Why, wonderful listeners, this video will be a shock to you for what you're about to hear or what you're about to listen for inside this video. Just chill your mind, bring yourself mind down. Let's watch this video together so that you hear things for yourself. Yes, because Nigeria government are evil. Then try to silence us, then try to erase our identity, but they failed. The spirit of Biafra is alive, stronger than ever, and it can never be stopped. That is why sometimes my people, whenever you see our own donam, they kind of coming down to court, you see how energetic and how overstrong that he always look. Yes, because the Biafra, the spirit of Biafra is running in his vein. That is why you see him always stronger in daily basis. And that is why all of us, as much as you are a Biafra, you are a freedom fighter. My wonderful listeners, this is not just a dream, it is our destiny. In this very video, we are going to break down the truth behind Biafra unstoppable push for full independence. What the media won't show you, what the world is waking up to, and why it is only a matter of time. It doesn't matter. Let them keep their deaf ear about the things that concerns the Biafra. But what matters is that we are going to triumph. Yes, my wonderful listeners, this video have finally declared the atrocities, the ever atrocities. But I keep telling you guys that on this 2025 we're in, that we can never allow them to happen. My wonderful listeners, the restoration of Biafra is not just a history in the making, it is a revolution. If you believe in truth, freedom, justice, my wonderful listeners, join me. Let's watch this very video and see things for yourself. And don't forget to hit your hand for subscribe button, turn on the notification, and share this video with 5 people today. Together we shall amplify the voice of Biafra.
The world may know. And because of his kidnap, the Fulani herders went to our villages and even up to today start committing onslaughts. People were being massacred even as I speak. No more youth in the southeast. Every one of them has been either unalive or some of them has run away to different parts of Nigeria and most African countries. Because General Christopher Musa placed the southeast under siege, destroying the southeasterners. And I want to tell the world this. Igbos have been attacked in the whole of the southeast. Christians and Igbos. And these are the major things that they want to achieve. Destroy them. They don't want to hear anything Christian or Igbos. Your vice president said, let's attack Igbos by stopping their businesses, widening their tax margin. These are people without conscience ruling Nigeria. And today, Igbos have been subjugated in the same contraction that they want you and I to be in one country. And now I saw Alexander Stone in Kenya. I don't know what he went to Kenya to do. But as you are in Kenya, Alexander Stone, ask them what happened to the kidnap of Onyendu Nnamdi Kanu. Ask them. Because Mazi Nnamdi Kanu was kidnapped from Kenya. Extraordinary rendition without following due process of the law, of the international law. So Tinubu, the drug lord, you can as much as you want go and borrow money to stop Biafra movement. You can never stop this Biafra movement. You can never. Let me reaffirm this to the drug lord that came through the back door. You can see people that you are favoring. That Tinubu, Ahmed Bola Tinubu, you can never stop Biafra, the redeclaration. And you can never win the case of Manzi Simon Ekpa in Finland. Believe you me, all our eyes are open. You can't. So whatever you people are planning, we know. Oh, bring him. Ekpa is the problem. If Ekpa is being removed, now Mazi Nnamdi Kanu will be released. And they removed Ekpa. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is standing trial today against international laws. I said, when you kidnap a man from another country, you have lost the jurisdiction of trying that person. Where are those people who were saying that they had a better way of doing it? Now, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is not doing it right. Mazi Simon Ekpa is going the other way around. It's not getting it right. Where are those people now to come and give us their own ideas? Ndigo. Very useless set of human beings, some of you can be. What are you people? They will use you, give you 100 million, 200 million. Those money, are they not finished now? Is it not finished? Have you gotten your freedom? Can most of you travel home with your vehicles on the road? No, you can't. Why? Because you have collected money to shut your mouth up. Our people said evil. Evil begot evil. When you are bad, bad things follow you. You collected money to sell your conscience. And when you see them now attacking your brothers and sisters, destroying your farmland, you can no longer talk. Why? Because you have sold your soul to them. That is what Bianca Ojukwu did. And now she can no longer call those international body that, oh, it wasn't Simon Ekpa. Simon Ekpa was actually the savior, the solution. It was the Nigerian terrorist government. Their military on uniform. Those are the people unaliving our people. Left, right, and center. Everywhere in the southeast. Anywhere that you see insecurity is caused by the soldiers of Nigeria. By Christopher Musa's boys. That's why they are sending rocket launcher. They are bombing houses. Unaliving innocent children that have done nothing to them. Their only crime is that they are Igbo and Christian. That is their only crime. Every single day, people must be unalive in the whole of the southeast Biafran land. Why? And the international body is not talking about it. All they are doing is to go after the people defending their country. The European Union is not talking. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu was removed, forcibly removed from a country. And they are trying him in Nigeria. None of you is saying anything. Now, when you see evil, you don't talk. But when we rise up to speak for ourselves, that is when you know that we are going against humanity. The laws of humanity. I came very angry this morning because a lot of dead bodies everywhere. A lot of people have been unalived, left, right, and center. Why? Because the international bodies refuses to do the right thing. That is why Buhari came and massacred Igbo people. Operation Python danced in Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's house. Today, that man that they gunned down almost 28 people in his father's compound, his Royal Majesty's compound, is being standing trial against his own laws, against the international laws, against the wish of Ndibo. So who is going to try the government for unaliving people in Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's house? Who is going to try the government of Nigeria, the terrorist government of Nigeria? So let me tell Tinubu one thing that you can never achieve. That this redeclaration will be cancelled or the world will never recognize us. You are joking. You can imagine people that are listening to Tinubu. A man that came through the back door. He grabbed power by force. These are the people giving instructions on how Igbo people's life will be in Nigeria. And they're showing it. They're not even hiding. And the world is seeing what is going on. The same drug lord that cannot go to United States of America, that is looking for a way to clean his record, bad record that he has in America. That is the man that Alexander Stone is listening to. That is the man that is looking for money, borrowing money from IMF to stop the redeclaration of Biafra. That can never happen on our watch. It can't happen under our watch. It's not possible. Nobody can stop that redeclaration. So if you are dreaming about it, go and sleep. You can't walk. I'm telling you the truth. I'm telling you the truth. It cannot walk. Musa is unaliving our people in the southeast. Nobody saying anything. Sending missiles, rocket launchers, AK-47, point blank, unaliving people without any without any provocation. And the international body are watching him, saying nothing. Our loved ones have been taken away by this Musa. You see the greatest people that will go to prison in Biafran land. You see Musa and brutal. Those people, these two people, under Buhari, brutal, under Buhari, all of you will go to prison. I'm telling you the truth. When Biafra is fully restored, because Mazen Nnamdi Kanu has no case. I continue to say that Nnamdi Kanu has no case in any court of Nigeria. What they did was to remove Simon Ekpa and to try him so that they will use Mazen Nnamdi Kanu's case as a terrorist to try Mazen Simon Ekpa. That is what they are doing, and it's not going to work, and it can never work. Believe you me. You can't label me a terrorist organization. You can't label IPOB, the indigenous people of Biafra, a terrorist group. You cannot, not on this planet Earth. So stop dreaming. The release of Mazen Nnamdi Kanu is imminent. So if you don't worry. There's a saying that said the beautiful ones are not yet born. What we are going to do is in our mind now. You have not seen our madness. We show you insanity. Insanity, that is what we're going to show you. I couldn't watch most of the videos that were sent to me some days ago. I could not watch them. People were in their houses. Military, army, Nigerian food, army people went to their house and opened fire on them without any provocation. And you want me to keep quiet? People like us to keep quiet. If people are just mad, the international body needs to see this. They need to hear this, because this is getting out of hand. And if it's not being controlled, there will not be anybody left in the southeast. And that is what their plan is. But it's going to be controlled. And this is why they took our prime minister away, because they could not handle and see where this man is getting his, backup from and how formidable he was. They could not penetrate. If you come to kill, they will kill you. But today, what is happening? Finland did their worst. But don't worry. You see this court case, I am Muzianya Kazu, and we can never defeat us. You can never, not on this earth, not on this planet Earth. Believe you me. So on this note, Biafrans, I must say that please follow Madam Ngozi Orabueze's handle is on my platform. I sent it. So follow her X handle. For those of you that have been asking me, may God bless you all. Madam Ngozi Orabueze is the right woman to follow. We have only one government, which is the United States of Biafra, under the leadership presently, under the leadership of Madam Mrs. Dr. Ngozi Orabueze, are surrogate of the Prime Minister of the Biafran government, which is Mazen Simon Ekpa, and under the leader of Mazen Nnamdi Kanu. May God bless all the genuine Biafrans that are listening to me. Please continue to do the right thing. We will get it right this time around. Tinubu is a useless man, he's a fraudster, he's a terrorist, and he can never subjugate the Igbos this time around. We will fight him with everything we've got, believe you me. So on this note, I want to say from here, my heart goes to all the people that have lost their loved ones under this attack of General Christopher Musa, and with this pace of time that our Prime Minister is not here. I say may God bless you guys.
My wonderful listener, share and don't watch them. Now don't hear them live and direct how this our own brother take expose this evil Nigerian government. Yes, if you watch this video to this very moment, you are a part of history making. My wonderful listeners, as you watch this video to this end, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to stand with the truth, because we are always here to bring you the truth. Yes.